Here we have a model rocket will be launched from a hill 80 feet above the sea level. The launch site is next to the ocean sea level, and the rocket will fall into the ocean. The rocket's distance s above sea level at any time t is found by equation. And we want to find the time it takes for the rocket to strike the ocean. You need to know the equation now. This is the equation is given to us. F of t is equal to minus 16t squared plus 64t plus 80. So to find the time that the rocket strikes the ocean, where the f of t would be equal to 0, the sea level, the height would be 0. But let's take a look at that. So we have minus 16 t squared plus 64 t plus 80 is equal to 0. Now, those of you following this live right now, what would be the first step to solve this? Is this factorable, or can I factor anything here? Anyone? Looks like each of these are a factor of 16. I can either factor in 16 or divide this term by 16 because it's the equation. Well, let's do that then. Let's divide this term by 16. Let's divide each term by negative 16. How's that? This is the equation. We can do that. So what do I get for the first term? I get t squared minus, what is 64 over 16? Would be minus 4t. And then 80 divided by 16, that give you 5. This is equal to 0. So that we made it a lot simpler to factor. Let's go ahead and factor this. So this would be t, and t looks like 1 and 5 would work. We want to get minus 4, so it would be minus 5 plus 1. You notice that plus 1 times minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Still, everything is there. So t, the time, we're looking for the time, t plus 1 is equal to 0. So we find t is equal to minus 1 second. That doesn't make sense, so we're not going to take that answer. T minus 5 is equal to 0. That shows t is equal to 5 or 5 seconds. So that should be a good answer. So the time after 5 seconds, the rocket would strike the ocean.